Dr. John, this is my wife Jessica, and today we're coming to you with a DIY on making elderberry syrup. Elderberry syrup is something that our family uses, especially going into fall and winter, to help boost our immune systems. Elderberry syrup is great for not only preventing colds and flus, but it has been shown to reduce colds and flus time by more than 50%. There are commercial syrups available in many box stores, but they can be expensive, and as a family, we like to control the ingredients we use whenever possible. Making your own is quick, easy, and money saving.
Okay, so I'm going to go through the recipe for how we make our elderberry syrup. First, we're going to use dried elderberries. I order these online. You can get them on Amazon, but locally, Natural Grocers usually has dried elderberries. Just make sure you're getting organic dried elderberries. So to 3.5 cups of filtered water, I'm going to add 2/3 cup of elderberries. And then measured out here, we have 2 tablespoons of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of cloves. We're just going to mix that up, and then we're going to simmer it on the stove for about 45 minutes to an hour. We just want to reduce the liquid by about half. Okay, so we've let this cook, and now we're going to strain it and let it cool. Once it's cooled, we're going to stir in a cup of honey, and then we will store this in a glass jar in the refrigerator for up to about 3 weeks. It can be frozen if you have any left over. We also love to make it into gummies for the kids, and we can link a recipe for that in the comments below.
It's got honey in it, so you wouldn't want to give this to kids under 1 year old. For a preventative dose, we do 1/2 to 1 teaspoon per day for our kids, and 1 tablespoon for adults. If you've got a cold or a flu or you're fighting something, we do that same dosage, but we do it about every 2 to 3 hours until they're fully recovered. I hope you enjoyed today's DIY. Join us next time as we share more tips to help you stay well.
So, what you're doing is you're going to put in it up, and you have this little donut. I know it's crispy and chunky, squishy and chunky. This is this is.
But have been shown to reduce cold and flu time by more than 50%. There are commercial syrups available in many box stores, but they can be expensive, and as a family, we like to control the ingredients we use whenever possible. Making your own is quick, easy, and money saving. Cut.
Where's our cameraman?